Orange ship? I don't know where it is. What's in the sky?
Moon.
Can you reach it?
No, it's too far.
It's too far?
Yeah.
How can we reach it then?
Airplane.
The airplane? Do you have an airplane?
Yeah.
Where's your airplane?
There.
Over there?
Yeah.
You have money? How much money you have?
Money.
Hey, how much money you have?
$5.
You got $5? Whoa, give me 5.
I have
Can I have some money?
Here you go.
Thank you, you're so nice.
You have one.
Now I have $1.
$1.
Thank you.
I have $2. And 2.
You're 2?
Yeah.
Love you.
Why you?
Love you who?
What's a blue car?
Love you who?
What's a blue car?
Hey, love you who?
Mama. He's funny too.
He's funny too.
You funny. You funny too.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Blow a kiss to mommy. Love you.
Why you?
I love you more.
Why you more? I want daddy.
You want that?
No.